Welcome to Easy Web Solution. Today, we are sharing an exciting YouTube tutorial where we're about to dive into the art of crafting premium logos without spending a dime. If you ever imagined designing a remarkable brand identity, this is the place to be. In the next few minutes, we are unleashing the secret of designing top-notch logos that stand out from the crowd, all without opening your wallet. Get ready to unlock a world of creativity and possibility as we guide you through this logo making journey. Click the link provided in the video description. You will be directed to this page. Type your business name in the post. Once done, click Create Logo button. Then a small window will pop up. In the space provided, you need to describe what your business is all about. For instance, if you're a tailor, you can type that in as the keyword. After you're finished, just click the Continue button. Now you can view the logo made in various styles. If you're not satisfied with the style, you can click on the next page until you find the style you prefer. Just tap on it and it will open a new page. In this area, you will need to create an account. You can either sign up using your Gmail or sign up with your Facebook or Google account. I'm going to sign up using my Google account. When that is done, a new window will pop up, guiding you to choose a variation. Simply pick the color you prefer. Once you click the desired color, you will move to the next part where you can edit your logo. You can also add a slogan to your logo by clicking here. If you don't want a slogan, you can easily remove it by clicking here. By holding your left click, you can reposition your logo to where you want it. If you want to add more words to your logo, find the Add Text button. When you're finished, click the Download button. Here you will reach a step where they ask for payment. No need to worry, just go back and hold your Shift plus Window plus S key together. Once the cropping window pop up, crop the parts of your logo you want. After you are finished, the picture will be saved on the clipboard. To keep this picture on your computer, we will use a software named Paint. It's a basic graphic utility that is included in all Windows versions. Press the Window key, locate the software Paint, and open it. Once you're in Paint, you can either right-click your mouse and find Paste, or directly click on this paste icon. Now that your logo appears, the next thing to do is save your logo to your computer. To do this, click on File, then locate Save As. Then click on it. Now find where you want to save your file. Give it a name and click on Save. Locate your save file and open it. Now you can see that there is an annoying background on our logo. To remove this, let's go to the next step. Visit the website mentioned in the video description. Once you're on that page, find the Upload Image button here and give it a click. Locate your image from your folder, and when you're finished, take a moment to relax as the background from your photo gets removed. Now you can observe that the background of our image has been taken out successfully. All that is left to do is download the outcome by clicking on the download button here. Now that the results have been successfully downloaded, find the folder where it was saved. Open it and you will notice that the background has been removed successfully. I hope this tutorial made you feel confident about making logos. Remember to give us a thumbs up, and if you like it, if you want more tips, consider subscribing so we can stay in touch.